So I don't know if I ever showed you all the world's smallest little razor blade that I got. This one's from Pittsburgh at Harbor Freight, and it was on clearance for $1.99. And most of the time I wouldn't buy something like this, but instead of using an X-Acto knife to cut the foam, I figured this would be great for opening packages and cutting foam. And I tell you what, it really has not disappointed. Check that out. Because it's small enough to get in between the foam cuts. And let's admit it, the foam is hard to cut with a big razor blade. So most people do like I used to, they'll take the blade out. And that works great too. But not everybody is comfortable with just cutting the foam with a razor blade or a knife, so voila! Look at that. Now we got a perfect cut hole.